Hey guys, welcome back to another video on our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the steps on how to log out Amazon shopping app. Firstly, open up your Amazon shopping app and then head over to the three lines on the bottom right. Now here you'll see a section of settings. Tap on settings. And if you scroll down a bit, and you'll see an option for sign out. If you're trying to add another account instead of this one, you don't really need to sign out. You can simply tap on switch account. Here you can add in another account. Tap on add account, and here you can type in the email address or the phone number and the password. By doing this, you can easily switch between multiple accounts. But if you want to sign out of this account anyways, you can tap on sign out. Again, tap on sign out. And after a few seconds, you will be signed out of Amazon shopping app. So that will be all for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, subscribe and also turn on the notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos.